What up, subscribers? Welcome back to my channel. So today is a Recipe Tuesday. So since last week on Recipe Tuesday I made 3 easy vegan snacks, I was like, why not make easy lunch recipes? So that's what I whipped up for you guys today. To be honest, I'm not really into cold, lunches. I prefer to have hot meals, but these ones are like my top favorites, so that's why I wanted to share with you guys. And if you're new, go check my video. Links is going to be down in the description box, so don't be afraid to watch out after watching this. And my story times that I posted on Sundays, everything is up. It's going to be in the link, so make sure you check it out. So without any further ado, let's get into this recipe video.
Alright, so the first recipe is going to be this vegan egg sandwich. You want to start off with 1/4 of an onion and throw that into your food processor along with a half a cup of chickpeas and some garlic powder, some paprika. Am I saying that properly? I don't know. And then some pink salt. Then you want to add some black pepper and some turmeric. Then your vegan mayo. Like so. And then you want to combine that all together like this. And oh my god, we got that egg. Is that really egg though, or is it not? Okay, then toast your bread and then bring it onto a board and then start adding your egg onto it like so. Spread it all over. You could actually make 2 sandwiches with this, but if you're greedy you can like stack up like I'm doing now, because it's full of protein, plants, you want to be full for your whole day basically. Alright, so then when that's done, you add lettuce and you top it all up together. This is optional, but you could chop a few pieces of cucumber like my mom would say, and then just put it in a Tupperware like this. Alright, and put it on the side and it looks like this. So next recipe is a quinoa macaroni salad. So first you want to start adding 1 tablespoon of pink salt into your water. Make sure it's boiling first. I'm using these. I got them at Costco. Alright, so 1.5 cups of quinoa noodles, and then place in a bowl when they're cooked. And then add 3 spoons of vegan mayo. Mayo. And then grater 1/4 of an onion. And then you want to use a few pieces of peppers and dice them up. Oh my god, girl, what's going on with you? You can never speak. Ugh. Okay, add it to the bowl. Add paprika. I can't say that word for the life of me. And then some garlic powder. And also some black pepper. And a half a tablespoon of pink salt. And then you want to mix that all together until it's really combined like so, and then add it to your Tupperware with some crackers that I got from Costco, or even those turmeric crackers that we made last week on Recipe Tuesday.
Alright, so we came to an end. Thank you so much for watching if you stayed watching this video. And if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I always love having new subscribers. And give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And sorry if you heard someone sneezing. Sorry. So yeah, if you liked it, please don't forget to, show your girl some love. Alright, and I'll see you guys on Storytime Sunday, right? Alright, so bye.